Thank you all for joining our session. During this session, we plan to provide you with some insight on Massman Automation's case erecting, top loading, and case sealing capabilities. But first, I'd like to give you a short overview of who we are. Massman Automation is a growing company that's been in business since 1978. We started in the town of Villard, Minnesota. We have organically grown many of Massman's core product lines, such as case packing, but have also significantly grown through acquisition. Massman currently has 5 locations and sister companies, which include EDL out of Green Bay, who specializes in shrink bundling, shrink wrapping, and double tight wrap machines. Ideal Pack in Madison, Wisconsin, who specializes in semi-automatic filling of small to medium-sized containers of all different shapes and sizes. Pace Group out of Eagan, Minnesota, specializes in large container filling equipment for drums and totes. And recently, DTM out of Hingham, Massachusetts, who specializes in small bottle high-speed filling lines. DTM also has the capability of providing filling lines from bottle descramblers all the way through the pallet stretch wrappers. All of these companies combined allows Massman to provide more of a complete end-of-line solution for our customers.
Massman's case erecting line consists of 2 basic models. The first are the ME15T and the ME10G. These erectors are built on the same compact platform, with the tape version topping out at 15 cases per minute and the hot melt unit at 10 cases per minute. When I say compact footprint, this erector is only 4 feet wide by 7 feet long, making it mobile with the purchase of optional casters. Our second basic models are the ME30T and the ME25G. These erectors are built on the same platform, with the tape version topping out at 30 cases per minute and the hot melt versions topping out at 25 cases per minute. These models feature an opposing vacuum cup opening, allowing for positive opening of cases that may be glued together or are square. Typically, with systems that consist of a case erector and case sealer, there is either an intermediate hand pack station or an automatic top loader. Massman can accommodate both. This top loader receives product randomly in 2 lanes at 90 products per minute. Cases are staged in 2 separate lanes, allowing the Massman manufactured gantry pick with a sponge-type vacuum head to avoid having to wait for cases. Cases are discharged and sealed by a Massman top sealer. This top-load system rotates large bottles at 50 bottles a minute. Bottles are collated with a servo-controlled cross-pusher, picked with gripper-style heads by the Massman-built servo gantry system and placed into waiting cases. This system loads 2 cases at a time, achieving an overall throughput of 25 cases per minute. Massman utilized Kodian robots, which are controlled by Rockwell servo motors for this particular application. Large bags are received at a rate of 60 bags per minute. Cases are metered into the flights to allow for a very quick index and accurate positioning for the placement of the bags at the high rates of speed. This machine highlights Massman's ability to integrate vision-guided picker-style robots. Massman integrates both Codian and ABB picker robots. This machine placed fruit cups in plaques that allowed for a secondary robot to pick and place the entire pack pattern into the waiting wraparound case.
All right, my name is Ryan Swanson and I'm here with Massman Automation presenting our new HMT Mini Case Sealer. The case sealer can run from 3 inches by 6 inches by 8 inches all the way up to 16 by 16 by 20. So it's got a large case range. The coolest part about this machine is it's our new modular approach to our designing. So we can sub in different modules for different case needs. We've got a 30 case per minute base model, and it can be upgraded to either 45 or 60 per minute with modular add-ons, so the machine can grow along with your production capacity. We've got easy adjustment for 5-minute changeover, and this machine will be great for use with anybody who's looking for a high-end sealer. So with our new model HMT Mini, we've actually upgraded our guarding package so that you've got accessibility from both sides of the machine for addressing case jams. We've also eliminated everything in the way of the machine so that you've got full accessibility and a full view of the machine as cases are running through it. It provides for easy accessibility, easy changeover, and greater utility for the machine.
Thanks for attending our session. I hope you leave here with a better understanding of Massman's case erecting, top loading, and case sealing capabilities. Please reach out to us with any of your automation needs, and from all of us at Massman, have a great day.